Young. It's a man. No, it is a woman, but I didn't say it that way because of that. Anyway, I just like to do things French sometimes, you know? I just like to really get in there with an accent, as we say in the biz. I am in a blackout right now. Great to see you. I've got to get this next comedian up on stage, and we are going to see if we get there. I hope the roof collapses on me, but I'm so excited to bring your next comedian on. God damn it, I did it again, you know, and I didn't want to the second time, but I'm so excited to bring your next comedian to the stage. The other day we went to Costco. Neither of us have a Costco card. And we want a $2 pizza, but did you know now at Costco you have to have a card to get the $2 pizza outside of the Costco? It's not even in the Costco. It's not full in the Costco, all right? You're outside and you have to pay $2. Anyway. We get to the front of the line, and we didn't have a card, and I was like, we're gonna have to get creative. So I did start chatting, maybe flirting with the guy behind me a little bit, and he did let us use his Costco card. We bought 3 pieces of pizza. It was only $8. 3 pieces of pizza, 2 sodas for $8? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I want to start a podcast about Costco. We're gonna call it Cost Talk with the Both Buddies, and okay, not a podcast crowd, I get it. Love that side table. Guys, are you ready for your next comedian of the evening? Thank you so much. She's one of my best friends. Put your hands together right now for the amazing Kerri, Lendo!
It's true. We got that horrible Costco pizza. It's not good, but MK had a goal. He set his sights on it. We got that pizza. Give it up for Fermin. No, he didn't come. But afterwards, MK's like, I should have given him a flyer. Sorry if my voice is weird. The seasons changed, I got bad allergies, but I used the neti pot. Y'all ever use a neti pot? Yeah, those things work great. My butthole doesn't hurt at all. A little warm saline, you're not bothered by anything else. It's fine. It's pretty good. Do you guys want to hear an impression? Yeah. All right. This is my impression of a rich person. Oh, you're flying out of LAX? You know, you should try Burbank. It's so much, it's closer. It's like security, it's like real fast. Wait, where are you going? I haven't told you about Irwan yet. I do have an Irwan membership. It's a problem. I live in a 4-bedroom apartment with 3 roommates to save money. But I'm paying $200 a year to buy more expensive groceries. It's a problem. For those who don't know Irwan, it's down the street. There's a bunch of them. It's where the richest, most attractive, bitchiest people go to shop. And I love them. I'm obsessed with them. And like, you have to have confidence. Like, they have this like hot bar where you can order food, like lunch. But there's no like clear like entrance exit order. It's just like, if you don't have fuck everyone else, I'm getting my food confidence, you don't eat. These miracle kelp noodles aren't for you. It's just me and another submissive, like, no, I think you were here first. You were here first. Like, 10 movie stars go before us. And they just have the stupidest products, and like, I can't afford it, but I have to go. They have this like, I'm fascinated, everyone's buying this like $23 camel milk. I don't know if camel milk is like the new oat milk that like rich people are using, or do rich people have baby camels? I don't know. I want to pretend to know though. It fascinates me. And I know what you're saying, like camel milk, it's, you know, regional and ethnic thing, but it's just white people. It's just a white woman in a headscarf and turquoise buying it. I want to know more. I'm doing life wrong. I messed it up. I shouldn't be shopping at Irwan and living in an apartment with 3 roommates at 40. But here I am. It's great to be here, folks. I'm not sure what the applause break is. Just like, keep going. I'll take it though. I'm not saying don't do it. I'll take it. Folks, don't you hate when you go to the sex store horny? You come home with all those bags. Why did I buy so much? I was just so horny, it all looked good. What am I supposed to do with all these sex swings? I have a small apartment. Guess we're having butt plugs every night this week. Always masturbate before you go shopping. That was a request by MK. That one goes out to you, boo. I am single. Anyone else fell in love during the pandemic? Woo! Yeah, it happened to some of us. Oh, none of the rest of us are happily ever after. Good for you, good for you. Yeah, we're very happy for you. I'm doing the apps and trying to stay positive, you know, I'm like, I'm single and ready to be romance scammed. I'm here for it. I don't have a lot of savings, but I do have a credit score. Someone could. I can't help it. I'm a codependent. I like to fix people. What better challenge than like a Russian bot? I think I could, yeah. I'll take out a bank loan and open up a seafood restaurant for you. I don't want to, you know, I'm 40. I don't want to miss my true love. I think I can make it work. I get my old Hallmark movie. Kerri is a failed stand-up comic, forced to move back to her parents' farm in Tennessee. Jake is a series of zeros and ones. Programmed to steal lonely people's Social Security numbers. She may lose her identity, but will she find love and kiss me? There'll be more singing. I'm doing the apps. It's not going well. I've had 2 people cancel on me for diarrhea. Different people. Is that a thing? An excuse people are using? Or do I have a type and it's men with IBS? I don't know. I'm still learning. It's not good. I went out with a guy recently, and it was okay, but I wasn't into it or whatever. I was going to leave, and he just didn't get the hint. He's like, want to go back to my place? And I was like, oh, I've been drinking. I shouldn't drive. I'm right here. I'm just going to go home. And he was like, well, I'll drive you to my place. I was like, oh, you know, I got to work tomorrow. I'm tired. And then he looked around the bar, and then he looked at me, and he whispered, do you just want to suck it? No, thank you, sir. Thanks, but no thanks. Tummy's full. Baby doesn't want the airplane. I do appreciate his logic, though, that, like, maybe I was standing there like, oh, I really want to go home with him, but I only want to suck his dick. He'd never be into that. Oh well, poor me, lost another one. Always a bridesmaid. Never a bride. Wait, what? You do? A stranger on the internet wants their dick sucked? My unicorn! How did I find you of all the dicks on all the internet? The one that is okay with a blowjob. This will be an everlasting love. This will be. We're doing Match commercials now. The algorithm worked. We found each other. It's a beautiful thing. I got attacked by trolls online recently because I'm a woman who talks. Man, that makes men real mad. I called out a pervert for being a pervert. He had like harassed me, and they got so angry. But the way they're very organized, the trolls. But the way they got back at me was by like giving me a lot of attention online. It's like, oh no, don't give me attention, me, a comedian. I'd hate for this tweet to blow up, that would be so terrible. Oh no, don't get a bunch of views on a 7-year-old stand-up video on YouTube. That'd be so bad. Oh no, I got a bunch of views and comments I can delete. And they're very organized, and the comments are all like, who would ever sexually harass you like school teacher looking motherfucker? I'm just like, first off, vintage librarian is my look, thank you for noticing it. Got it right. And also, here's the thing about men who sexually harass women. They're not very picky. Say what you will, they're very body positive. And that is the problem. That's what we're trying to fix. It's more of a vicinity thing. They're not too picky. So, and it was all like, you're never gonna make it as a comic. It's like, yeah, duh, I'm 40 and I'm a woman. I'm not like, yeah, you're 42s when I get SNL. I'm a narcissist. I'm not delusional. I know what's up. And then I would like just went on private, and they all keep trying to like message me to like be, because they couldn't like message me, and so they just like, oh, I'll add her as a friend. She'll add me as a friend, and then I can harass her. It's like I'm that stupid. Like I'm like, oh, Danny 87 with Heath Ledger Joker in a Spurs jersey as an avatar. Must be an old friend. Let's add him. You know, it's just like Brian 007, whose avatar is Guy Fieri photoshopped to be black. I wish I'm not making that up. That I don't know why. I don't get it. So yeah, the internet's terrible. I gotta get out of here. What am I gonna close on? Oh, I'm excited. I just went to Hawaii recently. I hadn't been on vacation forever. It was so fun. And I went snorkeling for the first time. I'd never been snorkeling. But the problem is I wear glasses, and I couldn't wear them with the mask. So I'd just be swimming around the ocean like, oh, check out that red fish. Swim over. It was just like a bag of Doritos. Just like this woman really close to track. She's making a statement. Anyway, that's my turn. Let's bring it back up here.